Hey, welcome back to the channel, Mama Bear's Homestead and More. On today's episode of What in the World is Poppy Bear Into, it's going to be a little bit of everywhere today, guys, so hold on. Try to stay with us, because I've had so much stuff going on here lately. I ain't had a chance to work on projects that I wanted to work on, so this is my, really, I mean, I was off yesterday, but I had chores to do, or obligations all day to do. So today's kind of like the first day back from recess, or, you know. But yeah, I got a whole list of chores I want to get done, so come along, follow along. And first of all, we're going to be working on old Callie Alley's belt pulley here, because that is sneaking up on us that time. So I'm going to set you guys right there. I think you're not in a dangerous spot, I don't think. So, okay, first task at hand, we gotta tighten that nut. Tighten this belt pulley up. And I hope, and that's what I was afraid of. So, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some more tools. Alright guys, I'm back. See what we get into here. And that's wanting to spin the whole shaft. But if we put this in gear, that should take care of that, maybe. Yeah. Now, hopefully it won't spin. We're pushing the tractor. Now we're just turning the tractor over. Alright, let me start it and see how bad. That ain't gonna work, guys. Let's see if we can take that back off and see if we need to chase some threads or what we got going on. Well, we got it stuck on there. That's never good. I might have an idea. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back. Let me work this around here. And alright, I think I got that stuck there so I can show you guys. But that is the PTO shaft out of the 3-point post hole digger. It's got a bad U joint right there. No, it's right there. Right there. But anyway, I got it. So that's locked up. Got the PTO locked up, so that we can get this spinning, or get this nut back moving. Alright guys, threads on the nut look okay. I think they're just full of paint. So we're gonna pop this back off. Yeah, I think it's just full of grime and stuff, so I'm gonna go get a wire brush and we'll try to wire brush that off. out to get the paint and the gunk. Hey guys, I'm not real sure what happened there. The GoPro went nuts. So I don't know how much of that last clip it recorded or saved. So, but what I'm dealing with here is these threads are full of paint and goop. So I am going to get me a water brush and clean these threads up. That way this nut goes on better, because the nut threads are fine. So I'm gonna go get the wire brush and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we couldn't find the wire brush, but we found the next best thing. Oh yeah. Clean that side. Alright guys, we got that put on. Now let's try to put our nut on. Still tight. It's a lot better than it was, guys. A lot better. Okay, we got the nut, lock washer, and pulley. Okay, big fat lock washer. Okay, still got a long way to go. And we're tight, so we're hopefully we can get there. Hopefully we can get there. Alright. Gonna throw a clip up here for Ross the Oliver man. He's not the only Oliver tractor driver around. Neighbor Tom went down the road on his Oliver. Who knows what he's doing? He's got his hay mower on. Oh yeah, guys, we got this whipped. All right. So we'll take this down. Now, are you guys ready to see this? Because I am. Yep. All right. Here we go. Check the oil on it. Check the oil. Great shape. Check the water. Also in great shape. Check it, make sure it's in neutral, PTO's off, and let's get it. I love this little tractor. I think it might be a little loose yet, because I can hear it rocking. But let's shut it off. We'll put the tail on it. Ah. I forgot to turn the gas on, guys. Alright. Well, no. That would have been a bad deal for everyone involved. Actually, it probably wouldn't have started. Yeah, it would have, because the PTO ain't on. Alright, here we go. What'd you guys think of that? I thought it worked really, really well. So we got this mounted up to the tractor. Now we probably ought to go down and to the big shed and see if we can't find some belt pulley and some lacing so I can get that done Monday. We can get the belt laced, crimped, and we'll be ready to go for that deal. But yeah, belt pulley's on. That's good. So let's go down to the little shed. There's Marty still sitting there looking all lonely. Wiring harness, I'm having trouble finding it. I thought I'd bought one, I ordered one, but it turned out to be a D17 Series 4 wiring harness, and that's a Series 1, so it didn't quite match up real well. But we'll keep our eye out for a I just gotta get back online and look for it. I know somebody makes it. But it's probably gonna be very, very dark in here. But at one time I know I had some belt and lacing. Yeah, look at this mess, guys. Crazy, insane. Man, it's hot in here. Okay, there's some lacing stuff. That's some cool stuff. I'll have to show you guys that. Electric motor. Found belting, guys, but it's real narrow belting. Like, I think it's probably off a Allis-Chalmers roto baler, maybe. What could go wrong here, guys? I have no idea what I'm doing, but look at this. I got it all set up, ready to rumble. Maybe. I hope. I probably ought to straighten this out a little bit. I think I pulled it when I was pushed on it, working. Alright. Yeah. Want to walk that side off. Alright. Get my corns. Alright guys, we're going to turn the PTO on and see what she does. It'd help if we push the clutch in. I'm trying to find you guys a good spot. Our belt stayed on. Barely. Looks like it's about to throw it off the grinder though. Okay, I see the first problem. The belt pulley's running backwards. So, what we need to do is curl the belt, I think. Them old timers that just reach in there and grab it and pull it off the pulley. Not this guy. Alright guys, let's see what that does. Oh yeah! Ah, shoot! This is so cool, guys. I love it. That's a bit floppy, but look at that. It's grinding feed. I'm gonna go ahead and shuck this ear so it don't put the husk in. All right, you guys ready? Let's play with this a little bit. So cool, guys. That sounds like it's a little much. But anyway, I'm happier than 14 hogs in a mud waller. So cool. That tractor's a 1948. I don't know what year this grinder was made, but yeah, we have a feed grinder, guys, working. Now I'm gonna do something real silly here, and I'm gonna dump that back in the hopper and regrind it just because I can. I don't know if we'll be able to tell the difference. I know we're gonna lose some of it because we won't get our bucket back under it fast enough. Look at mine. I'm making feed. All right, one thing I've learned, guys, from my very short feed mill experience here is you don't want the husk. You guys have no idea how pumped I am for this. This is so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go find some more corn. Yeah, and I need to grease that feed grinder up too, because it was growling, but I don't know if that's a good growl, a bad growl. But also, I don't know when the last time that thing was greased. So, but everything turns, everything moves. Man, I'm super stoked. You guys have no idea. I might rework the legs on it. I did notice that it does flex a little bit. But yeah, the Let's 80 belt-driven feed grinder works. The 1948 Allis-Chalmers C, aka Cali Alley, works. The belt works. I would like to get enough feed to fill that hopper up, or get enough ear corn to fill that hopper up, and then see if Cali Alley will pull it or not. But only throwing 2 or 3, I think I had 5 ears. Throwing them 5 ears in there, it didn't struggle with it. But yep, I'm gonna end this video here, and as always, my friends, keep on keeping on. You never know what you're gonna see on this channel.